This is a piecewise application. You guys may have something like this similar, but even for this part, you're going to need to understand what's happening here so that you don't get a simple question incorrect. So let's take a look at what's going on. You have this gym. It has a monthly membership plan. It's $40, and you get 2 free fitness classes. So what happens is after these 2 classes, you're going to get 15 per class for every class that you take beyond that. So this is the function for the cost, but let's take a look at what's happening here. X is the number of classes that you take for that month. If you take 0, 1, or 2, you're paying $40, okay? And I shouldn't just say 0. Notice how this is X greater than 0. If the monthly membership is $40 and you don't even take a class, then you're not paying that membership fee, okay? And then if you have more than 2 classes, so 3, 4, 5, and so on, then this is the equation that represents that. It's $15 per class, but you have this $25 here just because you, by taking 1 class, 25 plus 15, that would be your $40, right? But if you take 2 classes, you're still over here, you're still only paying $40. So it's like a good deal if you're taking 2 classes. All right. So here's what you guys have to be able to do. They're going to give you how many fitness classes that you take. So right now they're saying you take 1 fitness class. All right. And so then you would pay $40. Here's the reason why. Because you come up here and you have to figure out in here, this is X is 1 or 2. So if I do the cost of 1 class, I'm using $40 to do that. And they're already telling me it's $40 and that's your cost and you're good to go. Okay? But if I have this 3, I come up here and that's these X values. So this is X equals 3, 4, 5, dot, 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 dot. All right? So what you're doing then is evaluating the cost of 3 classes, and now you have to use this part of the function to do it. So this is going to be 15 times 3 plus 25, which is 45 plus 25, which is how much? $70. Okay? All right. So here, though, we have 0, right? But look at our domain.
0.
Right? This is X is greater than 0. Right? So this isn't even in our domain. So if we have the cost of 0, all right, 0 is not in the domain. Make sense? So technically you shouldn't be paying anything. Good? All right. And then you have, for this one, 6. And which set is that going to go in? The top or the bottom? That is the bottom. So you have C of 6. And then 15 times 6 plus 25. What's 15 times 6? 90. And what's 90 plus 25? I'm sorry? 115. All right. Yeah. They must be really good classes.